Good morning, everyone. This is your English teacher, Miss Lama Khatib. Today we are going to explain questions and answers in the past tense. In this lesson, you are going to know how to form a question in the past tense and how to answer also in the past tense. Was and were. We said that was take the singular pronouns like he, she, it, and why, but where takes the plural pronouns you, we, and they. Let's talk about the subject. The subject is the naming part. It tells you who the sentence is about. For example, Ahmad was in the supermarket. Here in this sentence, who are we talking about? Or who was in the supermarket? You have to say that Ahmad was in the supermarket. So here the subject is Ahmad. The apples were green. Okay, so here the subject is the apples. Making questions using was or were. How do we form a question? The apples were green. Here we have to change their places. So we have to put the verb to be were in the place of the subject and the subject in the place of verb to be. So the question becomes, were the apples green? Were the apples green? And don't forget the question mark. When forming a question, we change the places of the subject and the verb. In this sentence, the subject is the apples and the verb is were. When we change their places, we form a question. More examples. Ahmad was in the supermarket. The question, was Ahmad in the supermarket? In this sentence, the subject is Ahmad and the verb is was. So to make a question, we have to change their places as we see before. He was happy. Was he happy? In this sentence, the subject is he and the verb to be is was. So we change their places and the question becomes, was he happy? The second example, she was sleepy. Was she sleepy? Here the subject is she and the verb to be is was. They were in the park. Were they in the park? Here the subject is they and the verb to be is were. We change their places and this is the question. Were they in the park? Don't forget to write a question mark at the end of the question. Now let's see answers in the past tense. The question is, was he happy? Yes, he was. Was she sleepy? Yes, she was. First, we answer with yes or no. We write the subject, then the verb. For example, yes, he was. We answer with yes. Then we write the subject, which is he. Then the verb to be, which is was. Yes, he was. In the second answer, notice that we have she. Because we have she in the question, the subject is she. So we have to also answer with she. Yes, she was. More examples. Was it it hard? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Were they at school? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Were we at home? Yes, we were. No, we weren't. Notice here that the subjects that we have in the questions are it, they, we. So in the first question, we answer with it. In the second one, we answer with they. In the third one, we answer with we. Now, give short answers based on the pictures. Look at this picture. Was it hot yesterday? No, it wasn't. Were they happy yesterday? Yes, they were. Was she scared? Yes, she was. Was he sad? Yes, he was. Were Billy and Tim happy? No, they weren't. Thank you for listening and watching.